Sergeant. Be there in a while.
Okay.
Watch out for the captain, Sarge. He's going for the Silver Star. Right, Captain Harlow?
Tornado 2 to leader. We going first?
You sure do. There's a clearing 1 mile up ahead. That's where you put down.
What's the point? We could just drop some jelly. That'd take care of it.
Captain Harlow's decision, not mine. We'll cover you. If anything wiggles downstairs, we'll waste it.
You're so sweet. Going in now.
You've only got 12 minutes this time, Captain.
Go, guys.
Let's hit it. Come on, move it! Move it! Tornado 2, we're coming in now. Cover us.
Okay, come on in.
Let's go. Come on.
Is that it? Yeah. One of those should be an ammo dump. It looks abandoned. Just our luck. Mike. Frank.
Hold your fire, Lieutenant! What the fuck are you shooting for?
Tom, go! No, don't move. We've lost 2 already. What do you want to do, wipe out the platoon? Come on now, soldier. I gave you an order. Move your ass. We'll cover you. Almost made it. Probably clear there now. Let's take the line he took. Move out! Hang on, kid. Give me. Keep down, damn it! Take it easy with him.
Well, buddy, you got your Purple Heart.
I'd rather have my fucking leg.
You just take it easy now. I'll be back for you later.
Mother. gun off. Let's go! We're pulling out! Nigel, hustle them up! Hey, Captain, there's another one in there! Hey, Sal, where you going?
To get Tom. We'll catch up.
Let's go. Come on, move it.
You gonna wait for Sarge, Captain?
Move your ass.
Hey, where's Sal? Don't know, man. Didn't see him. Hey, man, did you see Sal come back?
Yeah, he's coming, man. Tom. All right, we're going. Oh, shit. Let's get you out of here. Come on.
Think that fucker Harlow will wait for us?
Yeah, he knows I came back to get you. Come on. Take it easy. We'll get there.
Come on, hurry up! Where's the others?
They didn't make it. Let's go.
There's someone else coming.
I saw the sergeant. Let's bring him Tom back here. Time's up. Go. Get us in the air.